Each year, Italy's Parmesan industry produces about 137,000 tons for the global market, generating major value. This scale demands heavy energy use, consuming up to 18% of the country's total energy through intensive production and logistics. Parmesan is a protected product of origin, permitted to be produced only in designated regions according to European standards, in order to prevent counterfeiting and protect the historical reputation of this cheese. The entire production chain is geared towards one overarching goal: ensuring consistent quality, preserving the distinctive flavor, and maintaining traditional values in every slice of cheese. The milk used to produce Parmesan is high-quality fresh cow's milk, sourced directly from farms located within designated production areas. From the initial receiving stage, the milk undergoes a rigorous control process to ensure consistency and purity. The fat content is precisely measured to meet the structural and flavor requirements of the finished cheese. Storage temperature is continuously monitored to prevent the growth of unwanted microorganisms. At the same time, the milk must be completely free of impurities or harmful bacteria. Only batches of milk that fully meet technical and food safety standards are allowed into the production line. The milk is heated in a large copper cauldron, a traditional material known for its ability to conduct heat evenly and steadily. When the milk reaches the standard temperature, natural rennet is added to the mixture. The enzymes in rennet cause the proteins in the milk to bind together, causing the milk to begin to curdle. This process transforms the milk from a liquid to a gel state, forming a curd, which serves as the foundation for subsequent processing steps. After formation, the curd is cut using a traditional spino tool. The spino consists of several thin wires or blades, allowing the curd to be divided into uniformly sized particles. After being cut, the curdled cheese pieces are stirred and heated further in the liquid. This stage helps the curd contract, becoming more pliable and firm. Once the desired state is reached, workers collect and hang the cheese blocks, maintaining the temperature while preparing them for the shaping step. "15 blocks of cheese are placed in the characteristic round molds of Parmesan. Under the influence of gravity and time, the cheese gradually slides down and takes shape within the mold. The molds are used simultaneously, allowing the factory to produce in parallel with a stable output, meeting the large market demand. After shaping, the cheese wheel is engraved with patterns and identifying information on its surface. The engravings indicate the origin, production date, and necessary data. This step helps distinguish authentic Parmesan and forms the basis for subsequent quality control. The cheeses are placed in brine tanks for a maximum of 20 days. During this process, the cheese wheels are turned regularly to ensure even salting. Salt helps remove excess moisture, naturally preserves, and establishes the original flavor. After soaking, the salt continues to permeate and takes nearly 7 months to reach the core of the cake. After the brine stage is complete, the cheese wheels are sorted by production date. An automated system assists in transporting them to the curing warehouse. Wheels from the same batch are grouped together, helping to ensure uniform ripening. After nearly a year of aging, each cheese wheel is manually inspected. Experts use a testing hammer to assess the internal structure and consistency. Only those that meet the standards are approved for market release. Large Parmesan cakes are cut with a saw or wire with high precision. The cheese is divided into slices, chunks, or wedges, depending on commercial needs. Machinery ensures uniform size, reduces waste, and improves efficiency. Injection molds are used to create a variety of product shapes. After cutting, the cheese portions are fed into an automated packaging system. Common packaging methods include vacuum sealing, plastic film, or wax paper. Labels display complete product information and traceability, meeting market requirements. From the first drops of fresh cow's milk to the cheese wheels aged for many years, Parmesan is not just a food product, but the result of time, discipline, and tradition. In your opinion, in an increasingly automated world, what is the most important factor in preserving the authentic flavor of traditional products like Parmesan? Please share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which form of Parmesan you like best.